Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a linear equation and we are needed to solve for y. They have given to us 2y plus 4 over 8. This is equal to 3y minus 1 over 2. The first thing we are going to do, we are going to put the bracket. We are going to introduce the bracket. Then we are going to cross and multiply. That is going to be 2 multiplied by 2y plus 4. This is equal to 8 multiplied by 3y minus 1. Let us open the bracket by multiplying by 2 and 8 inside the bracket. That is going to be 2 multiplied by 2y, we get 4y, plus 2 multiplied by 4, it is 8. This is equal to 8 multiplied by 3y, we get 24y. 8 multiplied by minus 1, we are going to get minus 8. Let us collect the like term together. I will bring the 4y to the right hand side and minus 8 to the left hand side. That is going to be 8 minus 8 when it comes to the left hand side is going to be addition of 8. This is equal to 24y minus 4y. (16) is equal to 24y minus 4y. We got 20y. 20y, this is equal to 16 divided by 20 both sides by 21. By 20 we get 1. We get y is equal to, we can simplify here, by 4 it is 4. By 4 we get 5. So the value of y is equal to 4 over 5. I hope you understand the equation that we solved together. Let me leave with you with the question. We're supposed to solve for x. They have given to us 4x minus 8. This is equal to 2 plus 2x. Comment your answer to the comment section. I'll be happy to see your answer. For more questions about equation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.